Hello, this is Ramya. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today I am going to show you how to make TenderJack Sambar. I have some TenderJack here and 1 potato, 2 tomatoes, 6 shallots and some curry leaves. I have already soaked a small lemon-sized tamarind for taste. My dal is ready. I took 1 cup of dal. My measurement cup is 240 ml. I am adding my veggies. And some curry leaves. 2 cups of water. And salt to taste. I'm mixing everything. Let it cook for a whistle. Now I am making sambar masala. The ingredients are 3 tablespoons of grated coconuts, 4 to 5 red chillies. If you want, you can add more. My coconuts are getting roasted. I am adding a little bit of turmeric and 2 teaspoons of coriander powder. I'm just turning off my stove. I don't want to burn my coriander powder. In my coriander powder, I already added some fenugreek and hing, so I'm not going to add any more in the sambar. Let it cool down for a couple of minutes and then make it a smooth paste with your mixer. I'm just transferring to my mixer. First I am grinding without any water. Now I am adding little bit water also. You can see my sambar masala, it's ready. Our veggies are ready. I turn on the stove. I am adding the tamarind juice. Check the taste. Let it boil for a couple of minutes. Now I am adding my sambar masala. I'm just adding some more water. Let it boil very well. Yeah, our sambar is getting ready now. Now we need to give tadka. I'm just adding some oil. half teaspoon of mustard seeds, five or six fenugreek, red chilli. I added some curry leaves and adding some little bit hing. That's it. Adding to the sambar. Our sambar is ready.